Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know where your Gmail account is logged in. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. You will then be taken into your Gmail account, in which if you haven't already logged in, you will be asked to enter your credentials. After entering your credentials, you will be taken into your inbox page. Now, in order to find out where else your account has been logged in, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Your Google Account. You will then be taken into your Google account settings page. From this page, click on Security and then from the Security tab, scroll down and you will find Your Devices. Within this section, you will see all of the devices where your Gmail account is logged in. Now, if you find any device that you cannot identify, then you can click on this device and then click on the arrow button where you will find the Sign Out button. You can also click on the Find Device from this page if you wish to locate your device that you cannot find. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out where your account has been logged in on your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.